Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. XRP continues to go higher. At the time that I'm recording this, it's 57.4 cents. And by the way, broad expectations from many analysts that Bitcoin is about to go much, much, much higher. Now, if that happens, it doesn't take a wizard to kind of speculate that there's a good chance the whole market goes up, including XRP. At some point, this thing's just going to break away. And look, XRP, an all-time high is programmed as far as I'm concerned. An all-time high is programmed. It's going to happen. And no conspiracy stuff. Nobody get wacky with me. Nobody, I swear, one of you. No. I just mean that to broadly share this idea that XRP is highly likely to hit a new all-time high. Because look, if the market's going to go, XRP is a part of the market. It's clearly one of the most adopted, successful cryptocurrencies in history. It's always been in the top 10 cryptos by market cap. You know the whole thing, right? Give me a good reason that the whole market would go, but XRP wouldn't. So that's why I'm saying, not literally, and I understand, look, if Bitcoin doesn't go, then I don't think it's likely XRP will, but that's why I say XRP programmed to go to a new all-time high. If Bitcoin's going to go, the whole market's going to go, and those cryptocurrencies that have actual usefulness in the space, those will be the coins that hit new all-time highs. XRP is one of those coins that's functionally useful. And so I'm not going to make a price prediction. I'm just sharing my vote of confidence in terms of directionally what's going to happen. I don't pretend to know when. But I want to share with you perspective from a number of analysts within this video because it's been a fun day. And I'll not be surprised to see XRP go much higher in the short term. It does look like the final shakeout happened. I went into that into the last video, so I don't want to talk about it too much in this video. But it does look like the bottom was in for XRP. But before going any further, I do want to be clear. I do not have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice. And you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos about crypto-related topics, but just as a hobby and just for fun. So here's a 24-hour chart for XRP, and it is knocking up against its 24-hour high. 24-hour high, 57.7 cents. It's now 57.4 cents. You can see here's the Bitcoin chart, $52,281 with a 24-hour high of $52,734. And look, coins just go at random times. And to drive that point home, I'll just highlight VeChain right here. Because I know that a lot of XRP holders are also interested in VeChain because of actual utility. If you're interested in XRP, it's probably because you think it's useful. That's probably a metric you think is important, and I think you're right. I would agree with you if you think that. Same here for VeChain. And I don't know what it is right this second, but a little bit earlier when I shared this post on social media platform X, I shared a screen grab from my phone, and it was 4.5 cents. Up 25.8% within the last 24 hours. And so look, I didn't know that was going to happen today. That is fantastic. This is how it goes in crypto. The same has been true of XRP in the past, and it will be true of XRP again in the future. I don't know what day, but you're going to wake up, you're going to think that you're looking at your phone wrong. You'll think you're looking at a different cryptocurrency. You'll look at the price and be like, oh, well, hot damn, that actually is XRP. Today is the day. That is exactly how it goes. You just don't know when. And most of the coins that pop off will not be something that you hold. Because there's over 20,000 coins. You can't hold most coins. When they go, they go. That's that. I happen to have VeChain. I bought it a few months ago when it was at about 1.9 cents. So happy to see this today. I brought exposure to the crypto asset class. But again, XRP is my largest holding for good reasons. Been holding it for over 6 years, and I believe it's absolutely going to melt faces when this thing gets going, as long as Bitcoin continues to lead the way. So on that front, what should we expect? Well, here's the latest from Credible Crypto on that, and then we'll get into some XRP-specific stuff. He said the pullback to $38,500 was our last major dip before new all-time high. I don't think you should expect anything of similar magnitude anytime soon. In the quoted tweet below, I said we won't see greater than 30% pullbacks until after new all-time highs, and I believe this will be confirmed soon. Everything is pointing to continued aggressive upside imminently. Bitcoin dominance breakout, higher time frame RSI entering extreme bull zones again, wave/market structure, etc. Sit back, enjoy the ride, and let the market work for you. Now that is some boldness right there. I would love for that to be the case, and he could be right. But no massive pullbacks. You know what that'll mean for XRP, right? Because again, XRP, all sorts of analysts believe that was the bottom, including the blockchain backer, for example. He was talking about that today. He believed, not that you know for sure, but he was saying that's what he thinks is most probable. We did see it, that final shakeout recently, when all sorts of people were talking about selling XRP. They're selling their XRP, they're getting out. My God, the amount of bitching about XRP on the internet, through the roof. Haven't seen it like that in years. And so you could just tell, like, that's typically what we see in these capitulation moments. And so it's probable that that's the case. And here you have Credible Crypto saying, yeah, don't expect any pullback. So again, what does that mean for XRP? Probably nothing much to the downside. If we really did just see the bottom there, and we're still waiting to make sure that it stays above the support level of 54 cents, but assuming that's the case, XRP is programmed to new all-time high. That's what's up. And take a look at this, by the way. From chart analyst Ali Martinez, he wrote, Bitcoin whales have purchased over 100,000 Bitcoin in the last 10 days, worth around $5 billion. This is wild, man. Does this look like a market that's about to slow down substantially to you? Because I'm not seeing it. I don't see it. If it happens, it happens. Maybe there's a black swan event. Okay, fine. But it doesn't look like it, does it? Then you have this from Crypto Insight UK. Said Bitcoin targeting $56,000 plus. Now, folks, again, if that happens, what do you think that means for XRP? And plus, there are all sorts of analysts talking about crucial levels for XRP. And if you break above 60 cents, some think that that's when it's really going to go. I see some people saying, some analysts saying more like 66 cents, but my gosh. Either way, once that gets to the point, it's just like the expectation is it just takes off because there's no close resistance level above that. We're going to be having some fun soon, methinks. That's my for fun guess. Oh, and take a look at this. Just the headline's enough, really. XRP makes huge jump, achieves 1.6 billion trading volume in 24 hours. It's actually higher than that now. It's at 1.85 billion. That's about twice the normal trading volume for XRP. That's gigantic. Actually, probably more than that. I mean, it kind of depends on when you're looking at it, but, you may see like 800 million for a 24-hour period. Sometimes you may see like 900, sure. Every now and then a little over a billion. But this is double what it was before. Resulting in a much higher market cap. Headline from Finbolt, XRP attracts over $1 billion in bullish daily sprint. It's fun. And look, I know it's only about 5%, but this 5% jump is at a time when everybody's screaming XRP is just going to keep going lower and lower and lower, and that's not what's happening right now. I'll take it. And yeah, we're going to have much, much bigger moves in single days in the future, but hey, one step at a time here, folks. Here's a post from chart analyst Cryptos, and he said, solid performance today by XRP finally got the daily close above 54 cents. Price has reached our green resistance at 57.85 cents. Now we wait for the weekly close. All good things in time, my friends. There's this post from Nick, Crypto Crusader. He said, so many alts are attempting to flip significant levels right now, including HBAR, XRP, Casper, and others. It might be too early, but I think we are about to see some big moves across the board for the market. We can't be impulsive here. Remain patient. Now, my friends, again, not everything happens exactly at the same time, but we are starting to see some of that, aren't we? VeChain just took off, and there are other examples. That I just highlighted that one because I happen to hold it, and I know that a lot of people in the XRP community hold it as well, so I just thought I'd mention it. There are others. There are others taking off. HBAR, I've been holding that son of a gun for over 3 years. I've been down for most of the time that I've held it. And I'm currently up. But when it goes, it goes. And that's the same thing with XRP, though. When I held XRP for the first 3 years, almost the whole time I was either down or roughly break even for 3 years. And I was buying consistently that whole time. So, see, that's why time in the market is more important than trying to time the market. It's timing the market is a fool's errand. You're going to get wrecked trying to do that stuff. But also getting impatient because it's not going when you want it to, that's another way to get wrecked. Make important financial decisions because you wish that it were doing so and so. Get out of here with that nonsense. That's not how markets work. Either you have exposure to the asset when it goes or you don't. And that's why I set rules for myself. Once I buy something, I just sit there, I hold it, I don't get in and out of positions. I'm just in. That is it, period. Then there's also this from Nick, same guy here, Nick Crypto Crusader. XRP price chart on your screen here, and he said, if the XRP momentum can continue, this weekly candle close could be very, very bullish and interesting. I'm really watching for a clean break above the trend line. So far, we have regained all weekly EMAs. Let's see if we can hold the line until Sunday and push over 60 cents for the real fireworks to start. All good things in time, my friends. But just remember, if you're sad about where XRP is right now, or you have been recently, that sentiment happens in every crypto community out there. Every single one of them. All of them. It doesn't mean anything. It's just humans being humans because people go to people. That's just what it is. That's just what it is, and it's silly-ass nonsense. This is the time to be excited, so far as I can see. So I am excited. I'm having a blasty blast tracking this stuff, and I hope you guys are too, because we've been through a lot as a community. I don't even need to tell you, like, you guys know. So to be at this moment where there's real opportunity, and it's not guaranteed, but to have this real opportunity, and for XRP to have never been so primed, yes, I'm excited for this. If we get disappointed, we'll talk about it, but I am very, very optimistic about this, honestly. And we do need Bitcoin to lead the way, I think, but there's a real chance that it will. That's what most analysts think anyway, so we'll see. The majority could be wrong, but I don't know. I mean, do you think the stock market's going to crater from here? Some do. We'll see, but if the stock market doesn't, I just have a hard time believing that Bitcoin's going to falter here. I'm hoping for all-time highs. I'm optimistic for the future, and that's why it's going to be fun. XRP all-time highs program, son. Keep tracking it, man. Oh, man, I can't wait to see it. And this is one of those times where, I don't know if you guys are kind of like me, but I check prices way too much. And it's kind of silly, but whatever, I'm having fun. That's okay. You know, most days aren't like this. Just take the days like this when you get them. Just take them. It's all good, man. We deserve this. We have been through a lot. So I'll keep you posted, but there's going to be a lot to talk about in the coming days, I anticipate, and lots of perspective from lots of analysts, and I'll keep bringing you the latest from what people are saying, in terms of what they see in the charts. Continue to talk about this because it is quite a fascinating time to be in crypto. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Keep the conversation going. This is a happy time, folks. Keep the conversation going. I'm not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.